Sprinkle your toilet with this magic powder as if you were preparing it for something special. It's a secret that will completely change the way you think about cleaning. Everyday grime and buildup will no longer be a problem. These two methods will get rid of them quickly and effectively. For the first method, sprinkle laundry detergent over the toilet bowl, then generously cover it with baking soda. Next, pour vinegar over the entire surface. The mixture will start to fizz, which means it's actively breaking down dirt and limescale. Grab a toilet brush, scrub thoroughly, and flush with water. Done. It's like a home spa for your toilet that also refreshes the pipes and helps prevent clogs. The second method will make yellow stains disappear as if by magic. First, blend scented beads in a blender. Then sprinkle them into the toilet bowl along with a generous amount of blue cleaning powder. Add baking soda, followed by a small amount of toothpaste. Pour in some laundry detergent. With a brush in hand, scrub well and flush. The fragrance from the beads will leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. It's a natural way to maintain a hygienic and pleasantly scented toilet without the use of harsh chemicals. Your toilet will shine like never before. Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just one packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures. Pour it into the shower head, and your shower will look brand new. It only takes a moment. Ever since my grandma told me about this trick, I've been using it all the time. I don't need expensive chemicals anymore. Just a few things I already have at home. Look at the holes in this shower head. They don't look the way I want them to. They're full of grime and limescale. First, unscrew the shower head. Pour some citric acid into it. Then place it in a bowl and sprinkle more citric acid on top. Fill the bowl with water and leave the shower head to soak for 20 minutes. You can put something on top to keep it submerged. Stir the water to activate the citric acid. Pour out the contents of the shower head and scrub it. Now pour some dish soap into the shower head and screw it back on. When you turn on the water, all the dirt should flush out. Imagine, you were showering in that all this time. We don't see what's inside the shower head, but it's honestly terrifying. So every now and then, just use this simple method with citric acid and dish soap. Your shower head and rain shower will stay clean and unclogged. I sprinkle my mop with blue powder and blue liquid. My floor shines for a long time. This combination creates a thick, active foam that easily tackles dirt and greasy stains. The foam reaches every corner, so there's no need for heavy scrubbing or repeated cleaning. The entire floor becomes shiny after just one wipe, and after cleaning, it doesn't just shine, it smells amazing too. This method works better than most store-bought cleaners and doesn't require harsh chemicals. When pouring the used water into the toilet, you can see how cloudy and full of dirt it is, proof of how effective this technique is. The secret? The mysterious blue powder is simply laundry detergent, and the blue liquid is dish soap. Try this trick, and you'll see how easy it is to get a perfectly clean, shiny, and fresh-smelling floor. Here are 5 plants that can help you reduce mold and excess moisture in the bathroom. The last plant is rarely seen. Common ivy effectively absorbs excess moisture and helps remove mold spores from the air. Snake plant, also known as sansevieria, is extremely hardy and improves air quality even in low light. Boston fern naturally regulates humidity levels. Spider plant thrives in humid environments and supports the removal of airborne pollutants. The Oncidium orchid absorbs moisture from the air, lowering humidity in the bathroom and making it harder for mold and fungi to develop. The ventilation grill will work like new. Just one thing is enough to clean it without removing it. The amount of moisture in the bathroom and throughout the house depends on the operation of the ventilator. Few people check if it works properly, but all it takes is a piece of paper. If you put it against the grill, it should stick. If the ventilation properly extracts air, it will hold the paper or piece of paper without any problems. But what if the ventilation isn't working properly? Check if the grill itself needs cleaning. If there is a lot of dirt and dust on it, it may restrict its operation. Some grills can be removed. Before you do that, prepare some baking soda. Dilute it with water. Take the grill and a toothbrush. Clean the grill above the sink. Rinse it off and reinstall it. You can also clean the grill without removing it. All you need is a cloth and a knife. Dampen the cloth with dishwashing liquid. Wrap it around the knife. This way, you can clean the slots in the ventilation grillie without removing it. Some grills can accumulate a lot of dirt. After such a treatment, the ventilation should work much better. Hydraulics, don't talk about it. Just 2 ingredients are enough to get rid of the annoying problem. Take a bar of ordinary soap. It should weigh around 150 grams. It's good if it has a pleasant scent. Grate it on a grater with large holes. Soap has many properties, but I'm sure you don't know about this one yet. This recipe is its secret function. After grating, soap flakes will be formed. They have strong cleansing and antibacterial properties. Transfer the grated soap to a pot. Measure out 150 milliliters of floor cleaning liquid. Pour it into the pot and mix everything. Turn on the heat and constantly stir until the soap melts. Make sure no lumps form. When a uniform mass is formed, remove the pot from the stove. Prepare a rectangular container. Line its bottom with plastic wrap. Do this carefully. Also, cover the sides of the container with the wrap. When the mixture cools slightly, pour it into the container. Leave it overnight. During this time, it will solidify and acquire extraordinary properties. Remove the bar from the box by pulling on the wrap. Then, using a knife, cut it into 1 centimeter strips. Transfer them to a plastic container and take them to the bathroom. These 2 ingredients, combined, have disinfecting, cleaning, and adhesive properties. This makes them self-adhesive cubes that clean the toilet. Just apply them to the bottom of the toilet bowl. They won't come off when flushing. Water causes them to release active foam, which cleans the toilet with every flush. Not only do they smell good, but they also disinfect the toilet. Thanks to them, the toilet shines with cleanliness all the time, not just on cleaning day.